guys, this is Kuya Ed once again and welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be updated to my incoming or upcoming videos. So for today, I'm gonna show you how to make your LED or your old TV into a smart TV, wherein you can watch 1,000 plus international and local channels, stream on YouTube, Netflix, play music and videos, and screencast your phone to your TV, and even download Android apps. So how are we going to do this? So introducing MXQ Pro 4K 5G. So this smart box will turn your LED or old TV into a smart TV. So it works through wired or wireless internet connection using Wi-Fi or even mobile data. So you can watch movies or TV or play music, play games, screencast, web surfing, and download Android apps. So what are the smart box ports? So we have here the SD port, the USB port, the SPDIF port, the audio and video port, the HDMI port, the LAN port, and the power port. So what are the smart box parts or accessories? So first we have the smart box itself, and then the HDMI cable. So insert one end to the smart box and the other end to the HDMI port in your TV. Next, we have the power supply port. Then please insert it into the power port. So next we have the remote control. So you can use the remote control that's mainly to control your smart box. If you are not comfortable in using the remote, so you can use also the mouse and keyboard if you have one. So just insert it into the USB ports. So this is the smart box menu or home screen. Okay, so this is now the home screen of our smart box.
Let's go to the settings.
So here we can see our Wi-Fi connection. So we just need to connect the Wi-Fi that we have. In this case, I do have my Globe broadband home prepaid. So how are we going to view local and international channels? So just click on the My Apps icon, and then there you can see the either the Chrome app or the Play Store. So after we finish downloading the Live NetTV application, so we just need to go back to the home screen, then back to the My Apps. Okay, then click on the file manager. Then we need to look the installer of the Live NetTV app under the local memory, then download, and then here we can see all the applications that we downloaded, its installers. So we will choose the latest version, the Live NetTV 4.8. So just click on it, then click on install.
Just click on access. So just click on install.
Okay, so we just need to wait until the installer finished installing the application. A few minutes to finish installation, so and there we go. So just click on done or open. So we'll click on open so that we can run the live NetTV application. Now, so how are we going to access the live NetTV apps? So just go to the my apps, then click on the live NetTV application. So just click on cancel. Then so here we go. So this is now the home screen of the live NetTV application. So there are a lot of channels, the entertainment, 24/7 channels, news, sports, movies. We also have local channels in Indonesia, Portugal, and many more countries, including our local channels here in the Philippines. There are a variety of channels that we can choose from.
Fox channel.
Fox channel. Just click on the link one, then play using the Android player. So it works.
Stores were open for the holidays, all decorated for the windows. And some of the store managers noticed that the customers that were coming through had decorative sweaters
so
that they
it
made
works.
themselves with jingle balls.
So let's try the local channel. So
And let's try another channel. So let's go to our local channel. So just choose the Filipino. So here in live NetTV, so what I didn't like it is we only have few channels available, and there's also advertisement. So ito po yung bumubuhay sa kanila. So let's just close the advertisement. Then let's try to watch TV5, for example.
Told to bunker in our homes, and a lot of people accepted that was
Okay, this is from CNN Philippines.
we've learned to
After opening the Swift Stream app, so we can choose a variety of channels. So let's try the USA TV. Okay, so there are a lot of channels in the USA that we can choose from. So let's try one of this.
Apps or so ito po siya. It's working.
Okay, sometimes there is an advertisement that pops up. So just click on the X button. Okay, we will try another channel. So we'll now try for the local channels in the Philippines. So what I like most with this app,
May advertisement
with
naman
the
sa
Swift Streams app compared to live NetTV, so is that with the local channels in the Philippines, there are a lot of channels with these Swift Streams apps compared to the live net TV. So here we go. So there are a lot of channels that we can choose from. Okay, so let us try one of the channels. So some channels here is not working. For example, the abs-cbn channel. So we'll just use the available channels that we have now. So if you want to watch abs-cbn channel or program, so you can go to the Kapamilya channel instead. We're now watching Kapamilya channel.
tapos na po yung soap opera nila kasi ano na oras ngayon. Cinema.
Try another channel, the Cinemo. So here we can view old Filipino movies. Currently this apps is working, so if you are going to ask me which application I prefer, so I will choose this Swift Stream apps. So question, so can we also view or download these apps into our cell phone or mobile phone? So yes, we can also use our Android phones to download these apps, especially if we don't have this smart box, so that we can
So that's it. So,
view our
for me,
favorite
personally,
TV programs wherever we will go. So we just need to have our mobile data.
kasi nga, mas marami siyang local channels. So let's go back.
Okay, so there are just two of the applications that we can use to view local and international TV channels. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.